So day number 2 here at the GKA Big Air Kite World Cup, and it's absolutely pumping down here. The Tramontana has kicking in, and you can see the crowd is starting to build. As the afternoon goes on, it's only going to get busier. We've seen some amazing action so far. We've started with the men, we're going to continue with the men, and then we're going to push on to the women, and then hopefully wrap things up with both finals later on this afternoon.
Between 30 and 45 knots, so everyone is switching from 8 meters to 6 meters to do some double loops.
So patiently waiting throughout the day. The women are now on the water. It's semi-final time, then we go to the men, and then it's finals, and the wind is looking strong. It's only going to get stronger. It's all systems go down here in Barcares.
Couldn't be more stoked with how today turned out. It was yeah, really challenging lead up to this event, but yeah man, I'm lost for words. Like, just heat by heat, progressively getting better and better, and in the final I knew I had to give it my all up against Andrea. He's such a tough competitor. I've lost against him like in the 3 last competition, so it felt so damn good to beat him today. My gear was working amazingly, duotone really tuning up that gear, making it perfect, so couldn't be happier. And yeah, see you guys at the next stop.
Very unexpected, but I knew I could achieve it. I came here with 0 training whatsoever, really. I haven't done any big air in about maybe 2.5, 3 months. And yeah, I mean, went out the first day and got the shit scared out of me, but I think I kind of redeemed myself. And yeah, I just had a lot of fun out there and can't wait to do it again in Tarifa.
So that brings us to an end of epic competing and action here at the Lords of Tram. It's the GKA Big Air Kitesurf World Cup. We've seen crashes, unbelievable moves, even a triple loop. But the real winner here on the weekend is big air kiteboarding. See you again.